Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Anker PowerCore II 10,000, which I've used in the past couple of months, most notably during my trip in Dubai, where it did an awesome job at powering all my electronic devices and video cameras so I could use them throughout the day. So if you're looking for a nice, compact, and portable power bank, then look no further. Also, sorry about my voice throughout the video. I was fighting a cold, and if you can tell even by my voice now, I'm still fighting that very same cold. On to the unboxing.
Alright, here is the Anker PowerCore II 10,000. Here's the box. Alright, let's open it. So inside the box, here it is. We have the, looks like a travel bag to put your charger in. This is the, looks like the micro USB charger. Yep, micro USB. And here we have a manual. Another card that says happy or not happy. Let's go with happy. And then we have the charger. So here's the Anker PowerCore II charger. So that is what is inside the Anker PowerCore II box.
What are the main features?
The Anker PowerCore II power bank is a simple device featuring only two connection ports at the top of the power bank. One is a micro USB port for charging the power bank, and the second is a USB Type A for charging other devices up to 18 watts. So another feature on this power bank is that when you press the power button, these dotted LED lights turn on clockwise, and they represent the current charge of your power bank. So currently, as you can tell, my power bank is fully charged with 8 LED lights turned on. And so in order to get an approximate read on the current charge of your power bank, you need to divide the number of lights that are currently on when you press this button divided by the total number of lights, which is 8. So for example, if there were 4 lights on, then you'd have 50% charge. If you had, let's say, 2 lights on, well then you'd have 25% charge. And so the reason why I mentioned clockwise is because right here I have my laptop, my Huawei laptop, and so I'm just gonna plug in it into my charger. I'm gonna charge it. So again, the reason why I mentioned clockwise is that when you start charging other devices, the lights start to turn off counterclockwise.
What is the battery capacity?
10,050 milliamp hour according to the manual.
How do you charge it?
To charge the Anker PowerCore II, you're going to need some type of cord with a micro USB head in order to connect to the micro USB port on the power bank. And so I'm going to be using the original cable that came with this power bank, featuring a USB Type A and a micro USB. And so I'm going to also be using this laptop to power and charge my power bank. So I'm going to connect it to my laptop and then connect it to the power bank. And depending on the current charge of the power bank, the lights will light up from that point to the last light clockwise. Also, when this is done charging, the lights will automatically turn off and the device will stop charging.
How long does it take to charge? Anecdotally, and on multiple occasions, especially during my trip in Dubai, it took about 3 to 4 hours to charge the power bank via connecting to a wall socket charger. How fast does it charge other devices?
For this demonstration, I'm going to be charging my currently dead Google Pixel 3 with the Anker PowerCore II using a USB Type A to C cord with a maximum 3 amp output versus the original wall socket charger that came with the Pixel 3.
And the winner by unanimous decision is the Pixel 3 wall socket charger.
That's what I'm saying, man. You put in the time, you get the results.
So the wall socket charger was 31% faster at charging the Pixel 3 with a charge time of 1 hour and 39 minutes compared to the Anker PowerCore II's charge time of 2 hours and 10 minutes. So the speed at which this power bank will charge your device will depend on the type of cords you use. This example was just to provide you guys with empirical data between using this power bank over conventional charging methods for the Pixel 3.
Can you charge 2 devices simultaneously?
The short answer to this is no. Only one port is used to charge the power bank and the other is used to charge other devices. I'm going to demonstrate that here by charging my Pixel 3 and my Sony camera battery charger. As you can see, when I first plug it into my battery charger for my Sony camera, the lights don't turn on, meaning it's not charging. Now when I plug it in for my Pixel 3, it charges my Pixel 3. While you can't charge 2 devices simultaneously using 2 cords from the power bank, that doesn't mean you can't power an external device with the power bank, such as a USB hub or a laptop, for this example, to charge multiple devices. So I'm going to disconnect it from my Pixel 3 and plug it into the laptop. As you can tell, it's charging now. And then I will be connecting from the laptop to this Sony camera battery charger. As you can see, the lights turn on now. And then finally, I'm going to charge my Pixel 3 from the laptop. And there you go. By using an external device powered by the power bank, you can charge multiple equipment or devices.
How much does it weigh?
According to the manual, the power bank weighs 195 grams or 6.3 ounces. So I have a digital scale here, and it's 194 grams, very close, within measurement error. If I change it to ounces, I get 6.8. Wait, what? So I think the manual's off because it states 6.3, but I'm measuring 6.8 with this scale, and converting from 195 grams to ounces, I would get about 6.8 or 6.9 within measurement error. But anyways, a similar device would be my Google Pixel 3 in terms of weight, with the plastic Spigen case. So the Pixel 3 with the case is about 6.7 ounces or 187 grams. So both of these things are pretty similar in terms of weight.
Does it fit inside the travel bag?
Yes, it does, and I'll show you guys. So here on the left is the travel bag that comes with the power bank, and I will put the power bank inside of the bag, and as you can tell, it fits in very easily, and even when it's inside the bag, there's still some extra space for the power bank to move around in. So a very spacious fitting.
How does it feel?
It feels really nice, and so whenever I touch it, it makes me go, ooh. And the reason that is because all along the surface of the power bank, ignoring these scuff marks, as you can see, there are these etched ridges all along the power bank that give it a kind of texture similar to a 3D hologram card. And so when I run my fingernail across the power bank, it produces this zipper-like sound very similar to the sound that would be produced if you did the same thing on a 3D hologram card, if that helps you understand what this power bank feels like.
How do you use it?
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Overall, the Anker PowerCore II power bank is great for traveling and as a backup charger. It holds a lot of charge and does so in a fashionable, compact design. If you guys like this video and want to see more, like and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions regarding the Anker PowerCore II, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.